Welcome back to another video, Plant with Us. And today I'm going to show you a method that I use so that your seeds can sprout faster than which is stated on the back of the package. I'm going to plant lettuce, and on this lettuce package states 5 till 10 days, but I'm going to do it in 30 days tops. So I'll show you just my method, and then you can comment down below if you think it will work. Let's get into it. First, you need a container. Make sure that is holes in. Sure there's holes in. That is for ventilation for the soil, for the sun, so your plants don't drown. Just a few holes. There you have it. Just a few holes. That. So when you put the soil, the water in your seed, and it starts to sprout, at that your seeds don't cut. What we need for this project, just a few simple things that you have in your household, so you don't need to go out buy some expensive stuff. All you need is a container. Make sure the container have some holes in. That is for water filtration. Very important. Underneath, you can make underneath also a few holes. Then you obviously will need seed. Like I have lettuce seed that I'm going to use today. Then I have liquid fertilizer. Check my video. I'll put it in the description. How you make liquid fertilizer with kitchen scrape. That will help your plant grow faster and stronger. Then you just need a bit of water to mix the fertilizer. So let's do step 2. Now what you need is the, like I said, liquid fertilizer. We're just gonna throw some water in so we can dilute it as much as possible, because we don't want our seeds to die. Very important, like I said, dilute. Then just throw it in your soil and, mix the soil with the fertilizer. Nothing complicated about this, nothing complicated. There, nicely mixed. Now we're going to use our lettuce seed. What I do is I don't put the seeds too deep in the soil. I just sprout it on top of the seed, on top of the soil. Just a few. Then slightly cover it. There you go. Like I said, I don't put it too deep in the soil. Just throw it on top of the soil and slightly cover it with more soil. Then gonna use water just to spray it lightly on the soil, and we're gonna leave it in the sun. Another point is when you see where weather is too cold, I suggest that you take your container with your seeds and store it inside your place where it's a bit hot. So seeds don't like that cold, especially lettuce. When it's warmer the next day, you can put it in the sun again. But like I said, it's easy. You just need some soil. I use liquid fertilizer. I dilute the liquid fertilizer. I put it in the soil, mix the soil with it, put the seed on top of the soil, just spray some soil lightly on the seeds, and then you use water, spray it on, and we finish with that. You can leave it outside or inside where it's warm, and it's supposed to be within 30 days, maximum 4 days. You will see your seeds start to sprout. Thank you. So here we have seeds that I planted 4 days ago, and you see how it sprouted. This is the lettuce seed with the method I used with the liquid fertilizer, and it's already in a stage where I can see it's growing nicely. So after maybe 2 weeks, I'll give an update on how this plant is going to grow, and if you have any other suggestions what I need to do, I will highly appreciate it. Just put it down in the comments below what you think of this method and if you will try this one. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. It will help the channel, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.